Welcome back to Scotty's Fishing Live. Tips and tricks for every species of fish. And please subscribe to my channel so you can share with all your mates. And hit the bell notification so you can go and catch your next species of fish. And remember to look for my special tip in this video. And hey guys, check out my other YouTube channel, The Hook and the Cook, with my good mate, Paul Braheny. Well, there you go guys, a beautiful kingy on the homemade lure. The Yellowtail Kingfish are highly sought after by anglers for their fantastic fighting ability and great table qualities. Their coloration is a bluey-green colour on their backs, white-silver below, and their fins are yellow. The largest fish commonly caught are up to 1 metre in length, weighing in around 10 to 15 kilos. With a maximum of 70 kilos and approximately 2 metres in length. Anglers looking to catch record kingfish should head to New Zealand, as fish here are commonly caught between 20 and 30 kilo, with a record of 52 kilo being caught. The Yellowtail Kingfish occurs in ocean waters of Queensland, down into New South Wales, Victoria, around Tasmania, over to Western Australia, and they're commonly caught in temperate waters worldwide. They are often found associated with floating objects in the ocean and around pylons and jetties within the bays and estuaries. Juveniles are commonly found in big schools known as rat kingfish to anglers. Anglers are obsessed with kingies and spend hours targeting them. Now let's look at the lures. We'll start off with the deep water jigs. Now you want to take a range of these. These are 200 gram jigs up to 400 grams, depending on the water current that you're fishing. So have a mix of jigs, metal jigs, in case you do a bit of jigging. But like I said, it is a surface lure spot. These are large surface lures from Shimano. All right, so have a mixture of those in different colours that will suit the job. Nice heavy duty trebles and rings. Make sure you get good quality gear for this sort of trip. And it's another one that's a sinker. So that'll sink down a little bit, but still a surface lure. Metals are another great lure to take with you. Now these are the big double up bumper bars. Super heavy duty hooks and rings. That's the 75. You may want to take a couple of smaller ones, but that's the largest one they make, and that'll work really well. Now the beauty of these bumper bars, you can flick them across the surface, or you can let them sink down and work the deeper water. But again, great lure worked across the surface. Now because they're a double up, they've got two bars that have come together like that, and they make a nice racket when they're in the water, and great tape, reflective tape. So great lure to have. And again, have an assortment of colours. Now the other lure to talk about is the one we made. We did a YouTube clip on this, a 3-part YouTube clip. You can follow along and see exactly how I made this lure. So I'm itching to get over in New Zealand and catch a kingfish on this one. Nice big livey. Well, there you go guys, that's the results of using big live baits. Look at that ripper. And we've got enough to eat. This big fella can go back. What fish species will it be next week? Please subscribe and tune in. See you then. Cheers.